Hey guys, this is a November update video. I'm going to show you what work has been completed on the school. It's a rainy, cloudy day up here on Thanksgiving at the new school site. They've done quite a bit of groundwork and work on the foundation, and I will check this out and show you guys what we can see. Okay, here we are at the entrance, and you can tell they've done quite a bit down here with the roads. They've got two different ways that you can go in. They've done a lot of groundwork. Out through there is the athletic fields. They haven't updated any of that, so I won't take you up that way right now. It's still pretty much the same through that direction, but where we will head, you see they've changed quite a bit of the groundwork there. We will head right up here. They've been working up here just about every day, even at night. Some of their heavy equipment. Apologize for the mushing. It's a bit muddy up here with the tire tracks and the rain. Let's head out this direction. See, most of the ground has really been worked. Let's go here on the side, away from the humongous mud puddle. So here's the main site of the campus. You can see they've leveled all this off. Wow, looks really good. Let's go over here and see what they've kind of done on this area. Okay. Tell the foundation is in really good shape. See what they've got going on out here. You can see the visitor center on the gap in the distance there. So they've got some stuff in the ground here, different areas. I'm guessing this is to pour the foundation. Let's see. Yeah. Looks like they've got some concrete poured. Looks like they're getting this area down here ready. Okay, let's do one big round shot. Kind of let you guys see what's been done. This is the main area. It looks like they've added to the foundation. and pouring some concrete. And that'll do it for our November update.